It's Saturday morning in Sarajevo, and I'm on the balcony that goes around the restaurant. Just going to do a 360 around the city. We leave today for the beautiful coastal resort of Kotor in Montenegro. So we go from Bosnia and Herzegovina to Kotor today. And this is our view from the, I think it's the 10th floor of the hotel we've been staying in. This is the view over towards the old town. You can see the Orthodox church stands out, and then you can see the minarets of all the mosques as well. But the old town is in that direction. And then as we go around this way, there's the cable car. Yeah, the cable car's up there at the top of that hill. We were up there, and then we come around, we get the view from our bedroom window. You know, it's a city of, I think it's 275,000 people, so it's a substantial city. So we have now made it to Kotor, and we're going for dinner. So we're now going to enter into the old city. Quite impressive ramparts, there's a few mighty cannons here. So in we go, and there's the date, 21st of the 11th, 1944. Morning in Kotor. Wow, absolutely beautiful. The water is crystal clear, very, very clean. Doesn't appear to be a cruise ship in today, or not yet anyway. And this is our boat. She promised us a fast boat, and she has delivered.
That's it, see you tomorrow, okay?
Thank you. There's the bells up there.
I gotta hold on.
You can see the bells moving. This is where we're going. We're coming into Perast. Okay, so we're now standing outside this church with the bell tower, and these are the three statues in front of us. There's where we are, Perast. And here's the cruise ship. I think it says Nautica on it. It's not a big one, it's not a massive big one. Absolutely beautiful here along the harbour front. All the little boats. So we're on a different boat now, heading towards the island on the right. That's the original. You're not allowed on it. This is the replica of it. That's where you're allowed to go. Coming into land now. Yeah, we're on the island now, and it's just absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning.
Upside down, and they work out very well.
Wow. Now this is a bit different. Look at all the artwork here. And the ceiling.
Somebody must have left the key in the entrance to make sure that it serves as like a guideline.
It's a model of the island.
We can take a look here. This is like
A lot of money in there. Swords over here. Weapons, probably. On the balcony. First floor. Absolutely gorgeous. Great views up here. Lovely. I think we take a nice wee picture, Andy, yes? Going past the island. This is my coffee spot today. Not bad. Not bad. I'm beside the boats. I'm in the shade. I'm getting the sun. Got the sea and the trees.
Jay plays chess on his phone, thumbs quick as a rattlesnake. He grins at that little screen and he never leaves a break. Denise sits by the window, needlework in a silver bowl. She counts each little...
Jay and I, the intrepid mountaineers that we are now going to attempt to climb up to the fortress at Kotor. Okay, so we're on the way up now, and the entrance fee was 15 euros each, which, if I remember rightly, is a big increase on the 2 euros we paid the last time, or 10 years ago. But it'll be worth it. It'll be worth it for the views, worth it for the experience. So come with us. This is
a spectacular view.
yeah, this is the first view we've got, looking down over all the houses. And there's the windsurf cruise ship.
He's got a spark in his eye and a dare in every move. When the board gets mean, he finds the groove.
Jay wants to know what the rope was all about. I guess for holding on. I can see the other cruise ship now. We thought it had gone, but it hadn't. Oh, yeah. Fantastic. Nice views. There's the flag where we're heading for. And we're just taking in the views again. But I think we'll get them better when we get up there. Not too much more to go. A few zigzags. And we're there.
Yeah.
736 feet.
Over 200
Hey.
meters.
We're almost there now. Come across the drawbridge. Ooh, a wee bit unsteady that, isn't it? Here he comes, emerging out of the gloom. Here he comes. What'd you say? Jay's going up to the higher bit. And I'm going to follow him. So the boys have done it. We've made it to the top. And we've met Jens and Duncan. And we've done the handshake. We do another handshake, Jay? Well done. Well done. Well done. This is official. This is official. Yeah. So this is the view out the back. And you can just see the cable car there.
See if I can actually
moving back and forward. Very good. Very good. And
the cable cars on there, but they're not very big.
no. We can see a trail here up the mountain. This is what I'm going to get Andrea to do the next time she comes back here.
She gonna push your wheelchair up there?
He comes in fast and he don't look back. Right liver attack. Right liver attack. One sharp grin and it's checkmate jack.
Well, the descent is well and truly on now. And great hike it's been. Great hike. Kotor Fortress map. And we are down. We are down. And now for ice cream. There's a good photograph of where we were. The flag at the top. It's excellent. Right, so this is the start of the wall. There's a few tasty fish down there. They're probably waiting for us to throw crumbs at them. Yeah. Okay. Here is the new church. And over here, the old church.
Hey, look at the old church.
The old church, yeah.
We're right there at the same level as that ship.
Yeah, we're back almost at the gate. Yeah. There's the ship and the bay. There's the cable cars. Are really going well up there. We don't know how much further we can get on this walk, but I'll do it. No, this is the end of the wall. I don't know where Jay's going now.
Plovi i ribulovi, da jarbolima stojimo mi, kad naš brod plovi i ribulovi, da jarbolima stojimo mi, a da smo dečki, svi to znaju, riba tu s gitare, pjevamo mi, a da smo dečki, svi to znaju, riba tu s gitare, pjevamo mi. Ko voli čakule, svi vole čakule, ko voli čakule, svi vole čakule. I meni su dragu odnile, i ne može niko na kraj s njima. I meni su brod potopile, a posli me svadili sa svima. I mene su s mora dovele, i ženu mi tiraju iz kuće, a mene na more odvele, i zbog njih se u vidicu tuče. Čakule, čakule, ko voli čakule, 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 svi vole čakule, 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 ko voli čakule, 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 svi vole čakule.